Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes reset forgotten Windows 11 and 10 password, Microsoft account and PIN without any software. Boot with Windows bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type regedit. Select H key local machine, click File, click Load Hive. Find your Windows installed drive, in my case Windows installed drive is C. Open Windows, System32, Config directory. Open System file. Type 54321. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand 54321, click Setup. Open CMD line, change value data to cmd.exe. Open Startup type, change value data to 2. Select 54321, click File, click Unload Hive. Type Exit. Click Continue to start Windows. Type net space, user. All users are listed. Type net space, user space, admin user saps, 54321 space, /add. Type net space, local group space, administrators space, admin user space, /add. Login with newly created user. Copy all files and shortcuts from previous user folder to new user folder. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.